Welcome to Srinatech Guru. This is Srinivas Lokotapeta. I'm having 2 years of real-time experience on AWS Cloud and various DevOps tools, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and many more. Okay. So in our classes, I'm going to teach you everything from beginner to expert level. So any topic, any lab, anything from beginner to expert level, it will be there. Here, today we are going to discuss about Git and GitHub. Okay. Introduction to Git and GitHub. Now let us understand the most important concept. What exactly is Git? Okay. Git is a distributed version control system. Distributed is nothing but it is going to store complete project code in one location, and related to the project history, everything it will be there in one location. That is called distributed. And what about version control system? Version control is nothing but, so you just take one file, particular file, notepad file or whatever it may be, just take one file. So in that we did some modification. For example, so just now I added some data like welcome to Srinatech Guru. I added some data in that. Okay, I saved that file. That file it is going to treat like a version 1. Okay, that is going to treat like a version 1. After 1 hour, I'm going to add one more line. This is second line. Something I'll add some extra lines. Okay, so then that will that one it will take it as a version 2. It means it is going to maintain version. Whatever you are doing some changes in that code, obviously it is going to take like it is going to maintain like a version 1, version 2, something like that. It is going to maintain it. Okay, but you'll get some little bit confusion on these versions. But in our labs, you can understand in detail about it. Here, just assume like if you do multiple modifications in your file, so that it is going to track like a versions, like version 1, version 2, something like that. Okay. See here, there are track changes. For example, we'll discuss about it. So track changes is nothing but just assume one particular file you added some data, and after some time you added some more data in that. So then what it is going to do? See, different files it is going to maintain, like a tracking will be there. So like previously whatever you did, that is version 1. Later whatever did, that is version 2. Like that versions, it is going to maintain version kind of thing, right? Then what will happen? Simply, for example, any changes occurred. For example, any like version 1, version 2, something it is having some bugs. We don't want version 2. We want to revert back to version 1. Simply we'll revert back to version 1 using Git software. Just assume we don't have Git software in our laptop, so you are trying to modify some files in our system. Okay, so if you add some data inside that file, okay, you saved it, and after some time by mistake you deleted that file. Obviously, means after some time, just assume you want to get that file, you want to get that last file related data, you want to get that last file. So deleted, you want to retrieve that deleted file. Is it possible? Normally it is not possible, but because you already deleted, got it. But using Git, what it is going to do, it is going to maintain like versions kind of thing. It is going to maintain it. For example, whatever you are doing changes, anything, it is going to maintain version. And whenever if you delete something in that particular file, for example, version 1, version 2, version 3, something, 3 different files are there. You did some means you found some bug on version 3. You want to revert back to version 2. Simply you can revert back to version 2 using Git commands. It means whatever it may be, even if you delete that file also, you can revert back. Why? Because there are multiple commits will be there, lot of data it will be tracked. Okay, just using Git, you can obviously like how you are having backup tools. So once you backup, whenever you want, you can restore. Same like Git also. So here, if you install Git and if you implemented your complete code through using Git command, you're using Git. So in your local repository, you are completely. If you maintain your code, then what will happen? Whenever which kind of changes you require, when kind of, for example, if you want to restore old versions, you can restore it, like version 1, version 2, something like that will be there, right? So you want to restore from one version to another version, you can restore it without any issues. Okay, and team collaboration will be there. Team collaboration, nothing but, so here, see here. So this is GitHub Cloud, just like a Facebook. Just assume for your better understanding, I'm saying you Facebook. So everyone how they are accessing. Same like just assume this is a GitHub is a website, cloud service. Okay, here your complete project code is stored. Simple. Different developers from different countries or different states, they are accessing your project code. Okay, so simultaneously they're going to work on that particular project and they're going to update that whatever changes they made. So simply they'll update into this project code. Okay, all developers they'll simply update into this project code. So it means all developers they're having proper collaboration, cooperation, support is there. So simultaneously they are working on it, they are updating in this. Okay, in this project code. Okay, that is nothing but team collaboration. Fine. And safe deployment. Safe deployment is nothing but, see here, this is the main branch. Okay. So normally for your project code, so normally by default it will have been main branch, right? Complete code it is going to store into main branch or master branch, you can say that. So real time what will happen? So if you want to implement any features, or if you want to create the code for hotfix or something kind of thing, if you want to do that, so for that also you'll create branch, another branch, new branch. Okay, a new branch you're going to create it, and there you're going to implement all those things. And once everything is good, then you will merge with main branch, like master branch, like that it will be there. It means this is like production code. Main branch is nothing but it contains production code, and feature branch something like that it is there, right? Here you're going to implement, like if you're going to, for example, you want to add some extra features. For example, you're having WhatsApp example. In that WhatsApps you want to add extra features in that. Okay, for that what you can do, so directly you will not work on main branch. So you'll duplicate, you'll copy complete main branch related complete project code, you will copy into one different location. Means that is called branching, we can say branching. Just you are cloning, you are copying complete project code into another folder. In that folder you are working on it, right? So here in this terminology we'll say branching system. It means main branch related complete code is going to store into like a different branch, new branch. Okay, in that new branch they're going to implement a lot of things. So once everything is good, they'll merge with main branch. Merging is nothing but combining the latest code completely. It is combining with main code. Okay, so like that they are going to implement latest features and all. With that what will happen? So here secure, if you are doing any mistakes in their local branch, their testing branch, it will not affect the main branch. Like production code, it will not affect. Why? Because they are doing in testing branch. How we are having like a sandbox, companies will be having sandbox. So there we'll do a number of testings. If all good, then we'll implement into different stages, like production, wherever it may be, we can implement it, right? Same like here also, different branches will be there. There we are going to implement a lot of things, and everything is good, will be merged with main branch. Okay, I hope you understood what is exactly meant by Git. Of course, here you will get a little bit idea about it, but in coming topics and once I show you labs and all those things, there you will get complete picture about it. But this is just like a overview. Okay, but in our real-time DevOps course related to Git, GitHub, there are more examples, more labs, different scenario I'm going to teach you. Okay. So this is the GitHub, right? GitHub is nothing but, so it is, as I already told you, see here, this is the cloud symbol is there, right here. So it is means a cloud, how we are having like Amazon.in, Netflix, or any kind of website. This is also website actually. GitHub is a lot of people think that Git and GitHub both are one tool only. No, it's not like that. Git is a tool. GitHub is a service. Git is installed in local system, the developer system it is installed. Okay. GitHub means that is similar to website. Okay. It is a website. So in that website, GitHub is a cloud service. It is a website kind of thing. So here your complete project code you are going to store here. Okay. So here all Git repositories, complete project code related all repositories you are going to store. Repository means again you will get doubt. Repository is nothing but like folder, just for them. One folder is there. In that folder, you are storing all your project code. That is, you can call it as a repository here in this cloud GitHub terminology. So if you store one particular folder, if you store all data, that is called repository. Means for your better understanding, I am comparing like that. Okay. Normally for project code, that wherever you are storing that place, we can call it as a repository only. For your better understanding, I am telling you like folder. Okay. Fine. So here that code is stored online. So in our GitHub, completely code it is going to store it. So how it is going to store it? See here, developer one is there. So he is going to store the, he is going to push the, means he is going to implement all means whatever code he created, implemented. That one he is going to push into GitHub. Okay, GitHub is a cloud service, right? He stored it. So from there, another developers, developer B, developer C, they're going to pull it. They're going to pull it. So means whatever code is, by first time they'll clone it, then after they'll pull it. Okay. Completely, what they are going to do, they are going to means first they are going to store code into GitHub. That's why here I am mentioning store is code in online, nothing but GitHub location. One repository will be the repository, nothing but kind of folder. So their complete project code it is stored. Okay, got it. Fine. And team collaboration. And one more thing. So here access your project from anywhere, anytime. It means once you store code in here, once you store complete that project code here, so any developer from any country or any state, he can easily access that. He can implement that project code. Got it? Fine. And team collaboration will be there. So work with your team on the same project. It means here what will happen, you know? So once you store code, so different developers from different countries simply they'll access it, they'll work on it, they will share ideas, review changes, solve problems together. So ultimately they will implement the project, complete project. They are going to implement it. That is nothing but collaboration. Collaboration is nothing but cooperation, support. We can say that. Got it? And pull request will be there. Pull request propose changes to the project. For example, developer did some modifications, means from main branch he created new branch. I told you, right? Test branch he created. He implemented latest features. Everything is good. So simply what he is going to do? He is going to create pull request. So in coming slides you can understand how it is going to work. Pull request. What is exactly meant by pull request? Everything I'm going to let you know here. Okay. Here just I'm giving you small explanation about it. Okay. Pull request is nothing but, so that the test branch will be there. He'll do some modifications. Then he'll raise the pull request. Means once he raise pull request, team lead will be there. He is going to review that code. And if anything is modifications required, simply he will mention in that and revert back to that particular user. And that person once again he is going to implement all those things. Once again he is going to raise the pull request. Then what will happen? If everything is good, code is approved and it is going to merge with main branch. But see, if I tell you this, all those things, theory part, you'll get some idea only. But if I tell you through labs, if I show you everything, there will get complete understanding about it. Okay. But this is theory part, right? Obviously, just you need to get basic idea about it. What is what? Okay. And open source project. So, you know, related to Terraform, Kubernetes, there are a lot of things are there in that GitHub. So there, if you want to join with them, you can join with them. And if you means that live project repository code will be there. There, if you want to do if you want to implement new changes, if you want to add new features for that one, we can do it. A lot of things you can do it. Okay. This is about GitHub. I hope you understood basic, you got basic information about it, what is what, but coming slides and through labs, you can understand more about it. Okay. So this is the difference between Git and GitHub. Okay. Git is installed in local system. In your developer system, it is going to install. But this is GitHub is not a tool or a software. It is a cloud service like a website. Okay. Cloud-based GitHub repository service. And what is going to do Git, as I already told you, track changes with the commits. So now I did some modification. So which developer which kind of thing he did, why he did. So completely with a label, with complete information, that complete track will be there. So complete track, when, what, why, which kind of things they implemented. So complete track it will be there with through commits. Okay, and it is going to work offline. Things online later means it means Git is installed local, and that whatever implementation is done by developer, that is everything it will be there in local laptop. So once means GitHub is means once you get internet and so once you connected to GitHub, simply you will sync later. Okay. Here GitHub enables collaboration and version control system. So GitHub means obviously collaboration, nothing but different developers from different countries. They'll connect to it, GitHub, they'll work on it, and it is going to maintain versions and all, right. So complete version kind of thing, version 1, version 2, something like that. It is going to maintain it. And Git is a distributed version control system. As I already told you, distributed version controls complete system, complete project code, and complete project code is going to store in one location. Project code history, and it is going to maintain versions and all those things. Okay. GitHub examples we can say GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. Okay. This all backend it is connected with Git only. Okay. So if you implement anything in your laptop using Git, so simply if you use GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket, simply you can push the code to that services, GitHub service, GitLab or Bitbucket. Branching some system, it supports branching and merging. Branching as I already told you. So main branch means production code will be there. That one you have to duplicate it in one location. That is called branching system. Duplicate branch, testing branch. There you will implement a lot of implementations you are going to do. So once everything is done, again you will merge with main branch. Okay, that is branching system. And GitHub, it protects the code from local system failures. Why? Because for example, laptop you means developer one is there, developer A is there. So you implement a lot of changes, everything is good. One fine day, suddenly it is crashed. His laptop is crashed. So obviously he lost data. But means when he implemented the time he pushed the code to GitHub. Okay, it means the code is still there in our GitHub repository, GitHub website. So it means it will protect code from local system failures. A developer system crash also no problem. That still the complete project code is there in GitHub. That's why all over the world, everyone they're storing code into GitHub only, not in their local machine. History, it will maintain full history and rollback. So complete history will be there completely when which kind of developer, what they did and why they did. So for everything it is having labels, right? Label will be there, track will be there, timestamp will be there, tags will be there, a lot of things will be there completely. So whenever they want to roll back from one commit to another commit, for example, second commit to, for example, 1, 2, 3 commits are there. Third commit related data is it is having bug. So you don't require third commit. So you want to revert back from third commit to second commit. Why? Because second commit code is working well. So simply you'll roll back. It means you will revert back from higher version code to lower version code, like a commit 3 to commit 2, you'll revert back. But this one also I think you'll get a little bit confusion. But once I show you lab, and then once again I'll show you these examples and all, you can understand easily. Correct. Accessible from anywhere, anytime. So GitHub is accessible from anywhere, anytime. Why? Because this is a website from in your laptop, in your home, or in your company, or wherever you go. If you have internet connection, simply you can access that GitHub. Okay. This is about difference between Git and GitHub. Why GitHub matters for DevOps engineers. Okay. So here you'll get a better idea about it. See here. So why developers all over the world, developers means DevOps engineers. So even if you are implementing SDLC, software development lifecycle, why it is mandatory? Why GitHub is mandatory? Okay. First thing is version control. It means it is going to maintain version kind of thing. If anything change, if anything wrong, or if anything happened also, we don't worry. Simply we'll revert back from higher version to lower version. Okay. Simple. Version 2 to version 1. Or commit 3 to commit 2, something like that. We can revert back. Okay, again revert back also. I think you can understand. Revert back is something means for example, welcome to Srinu Tech Guru. Example, first one line is there. Second one, welcome to Srinu Tech Guru. This is testing line. Example I mentioned. But I don't want second line. I want welcome to Srinu Tech Guru only. Simply what I can do, I can remove that line normally. But same like welcome to Srinu Tech Guru, one commit ID will be there. Or something like example for your better understanding, we'll say version 1. Welcome to Srinu Tech Guru, version 1 number will be there. Okay. And second one, welcome to Srinu Tech Guru. This is testing. For example, this is second line, something I mentioned, right? Second line. Okay. I don't want that means that second line it is having version 2. So second line version 2, first one version 2, version 1. So I want to revert back from version 2 to version 1. Is it possible? Using it, it is possible. Simply we'll revert back to version 1. Your code will be safe. Okay. And team workflow. Team workflow, as I already told you. So developers, different developers, they'll create different branches, testing branches. They'll implement whatever changes required. They'll implement it. And once they implement, if everything is good, simply what they will do, they'll raise pull request. Developers, they will raise the pull request. So that pull request, it will go to team lead. Team lead is going to review the code, and if any changes or anything is there, he'll comment. And once again, this developer he needs to work on it. If not, if code is everything is good, and simply your team lead is going to approve that and merge it. Then automatically that code, what will happen? It is going to merge with your main branch. Automatically, it is merged with main branch. What is master branch? What is main branch? What is testing branch? These are all those things. So once we discuss in labs, once we do labs, so there you can understand detail about it. Okay. Here just you are getting information. What is what? So if you go to the movie, means in YouTube, if you see movie trailers, just will get awareness. But once you watch complete movie, you'll get complete idea, right? Same like here also, you're just getting trailer kind of thing. Theory is like a trailer only. Once you see that the labs, there you can understand completely about it. Without labs, if you want to understand through PPTs only, it is highly not possible. But here you will get awareness that the terms you can understand here and what is what, something like that. Just overview you will get it here. Got it? Fine. And CI/CD integration is there. CI/CD integration is nothing but, so here developers develop the code and they'll push the code to GitHub repository. I'll show you that GitHub repository. Here, see. So developers, they'll implement the changes. Okay, they'll push the code to GitHub. So from GitHub, we'll maintain, means that CI/CD pipelines will be there. So once developers develop the code, once developer develops the code, and once he updated in main branch, so CI/CD integration, what it is going to do? It is going to identify, yes, developer updated some code in that main branch. So I need to pull the code. Like that, it is going to pull the code and it is going to do automation using different tools like Maven, Tomcat, Docker, Kubernetes, like using different tools. It is going to do automation through Jenkins. You can use automation for CI/CD integration. You can use either Jenkins or GitHub Actions or some other tools. You can use it. Okay, fine. So CI/CD integration, but what is exactly CI/CD integration and all? I think in DevOps demo class, as I already told you, just watch my YouTube video. There you can understand in detail about it related to CI/CD. What is meant by CI/CD, continuous integration and the continuous development, continuous deployment, continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay, there you can understand about it. Okay, fine. So this is about CI/CD integration and community. As I already told you, different communities will be there, right? So there, what will happen in our GitHub? Different communities will be there. So GitHub Kubernetes related community will be there. Terraform related will be there. Ansible related will be there. The project live code will be there. Live project code. So if you want to contribute yourself, you can contribute. Okay. If not, you can get that information and you can get awareness from that. See here also I'm giving you more examples. Okay. See here main branch is there, production code main branch is there, and here feature branch means, for example, login page is this developer created one branch. So he is feature login. He is working on feature login. So she is working on feature payment. Okay, he is working on bug fix. So these three developers having different branches. They are implementing their own way. Once everything is good, then they are going to create pull request, and team lead is going to review, and if everything is good, he is going to approve it. That code is merged with main branch. Like that, it will be there. Okay, this is just like, so now what you understood, what is Git, what is GitHub. Just today, just you understood what is Git and what is GitHub. Just basic information you got it. Okay, in our coming sessions, you can understand more about it. In our coming sessions, we'll be having labs and more real-time examples, real-time projects. So with that, what will happen? We'll get complete awareness about it, complete picture about it. There are a lot of real-time examples will be there. With that, we'll get, means if you go to the company also, simply you can understand their project code, their implementations, everything directly. You can engage with them. You can simply work with them. Okay, got it? I hope you understood and you got the basic idea about it. What is Git and GitHub? Okay. If you have any doubts, you can comment here. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. And one more thing I'm going to let you know. So this is my YouTube channel. So if you search with Srinu Tech Guru, here you can identify Srinu Tech Guru. So here you can find. So DevOps roadmap you can find. So what is exactly DevOps? You can find DevOps demo with AWS and AI demo Telugu as well as English. You can find it. Okay. Now today I'm going to upload this video also. Okay. If you want, you can join our DevOps course. Okay. DevOps with AWS and AI. So it is highly means most expert means you can get complete information like in companies real-time scenario, how different means different DevOps tools, how they are using it, how they are implementing that software development life cycle. Complete picture you will get it. Complete picture from beginning to ending. So everything I'm teaching. So without prior knowledge, without having any knowledge, you can simply join our course and you can get highly paid jobs. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can contact me through these numbers, these WhatsApp numbers. This is my website. This is my email ID. Okay. See here. This is my website, Srinu Tech Guru. So here in future we will get recorded videos for these courses. Okay. Currently recorded videos not available. So here you can find just details and live class. If you, for example, so you want to learn DevOps course, like that currently recorded videos not available. Just as well. You want to get live classes, click on live classes, or here also you can click, or here also you can click. Just click on live classes. Here you can find. So currently DevOps courses when I'm going to start, AWS course when I'm going to start, Docker and Kubernetes when I'm going to start. This complete date, timings, everything it will be there. If you don't like this timing and all those things, please let me know. So you can directly contact me. And if you have if you have any doubts or anything, you can contact me. I'll give you complete picture about it. If you want different timings and if you want one-to-one classes also, I'm going to teach you. Got it? So everything it will be there. So this is my contact page. For any queries, you can contact here, or my WhatsApp number as I already told you, right? So there also you can contact me. This is also WhatsApp number. This is email ID. Got it? And this is the DevOps course. So this is this DevOps course related complete course content. I'm going to attach you in our this video description. I'm going to attach this video description, and if you need any information, please contact me. Got it? Thank you. Have a nice day.